Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I at this point invite to respond the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Yesum Wike, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Grand Service Star of Rivers State, Power of Sports, Africa.
Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle walking God. Your name is Yahweh.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, the Right Honorable Speaker of the State House of Assembly, members of the National Assembly that are here, the chairman of our great party, and the chairman of the Elders Forum and leaders of our party in the state, the incoming governor and his deputy, to the glory of God, members of the State Executive Council, the technical advisor to Rivers United and members of your team, supporters club, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me, on behalf of the government and people of the state, most sincerely congratulate the Rivers United family for making Rivers State proud by winning this convertible trophy. I'm not surprised because I saw your dedication and commitment, and I knew that he who works hard, God will always give him the support to emerge victorious. First of all, let me congratulate the Commissioner of Sports, the Permanent Secretary, and all those who are working closely with you to make sure that what we have today was made possible. Everybody has worked hard. The coach has worked hard. His team, the players, the doctors, everybody, supporters club, they've all worked hard. So I want to thank you immensely. If not that you did what you're supposed to do, by setting a record, I'm sure in this country, they would have manipulated you for you not to emerge victorious. The gap you gave to them was impossible for them to manipulate it. And so when victory becomes too obvious, there's no need of stepping down when you know you have lost. I'm sure if you are going to lead with 3 points, maybe they would have told one club to announce that they are pulling out just for them to make sure they deny you that victory. But the way the gap was, if you like, let 3 teams withdraw. That will not change it. You know, this country is a country where anything can happen midnight. You know, you can even be playing the football. They announce that, look, so thing has happened. That is Nigeria for you. But let me tell you that we are very, very happy. We are very, very proud. When a child goes to school and passes well, the parents must be happy. And the parents will say, look, my child, for this, you have made me happy. This is what I'm going to do in order to encourage you. The Commissioner of Sports, you are not going to relent just on football alone. What gives glory is not only football, but other aspect of sports is also important in terms of athletics and other things. So while you are working hard, as your special advisor, taking charge of Rivers United in my office, you have now been promoted to commissioner because of your performance. And I tell everybody, when you do well, it will not be hidden. Your reward will come at the end of the day. Now you have done well, you have been promoted for special advisor in charge of Rivers United by office to commissioner of entire sports. So I have removed everything now from my office. Take and go. Go. Take. Now, you have won the trophy, but that is not enough. You are going to represent Nigeria in the CAF competition. And you know how difficult and technical and the politics in that area. I trust the Commissioner of Sports. He knows their game. He knows what they do. So that area I don't have any problem. But you need to put yourself physically fit. You need to be prepared psychologically in order to face other competitors. Africa is not West Africa. We're talking about Africa, not West Africa now. So you have such tasks you must be prepared in order to achieve. Also, as on our own, as government must do everything humanly possible to encourage you. First of all, having won this trophy for us, you are qualified, and the chairman of the award is here. So we have agreed that each of you will be given Governor's Medal Service Award first. So all the players and the management team, you are now going to have, at the end of your name, GMS, Governor's Medal Service Award. 2, the Commissioner of Sports should make sure all of you will go to Madrid for 2 weeks and train. You know, Madrid is where you can get the best team. So you go there for 2 weeks and let him prepare with other clubs to enable you be much prepared in the forthcoming CAF competition. Then lastly, I know this is where your interest lies. You know, after play these matches, you have all kinds of knocks, pains, and this. Something should be able to cushion. Each of you will go home with $20,000, each of you. But for me, you deserve more than that. But because of the economy, we have to reduce our hand. If not, you deserve more than this. You've done well. And let me tell you, if you qualify in the group stage for this CAF competition, we'll double it for you. You know, this ceremony is live. And other states are watching us. You know, they always envy us. As they are there now, it's paining them. When they pain them, it sweet us. As it sweet us, it pain them.
As he dey pain them, he dey sweet us. As he dey sweet us, he go dey pain them.
So our business is not to make them happy. Our business is to make their high blood pressure to continue to go high, not to come down. But what is important is that Rivers State must continue to excel. If you are doing anything for Rivers State, give all your commitment. Rivers State will not abandon you. Luckily for us, we have the next governor here. He knows everything we are doing. So he is not new about it, all the activities of government as it relates to sports and other things. So he won't say, oh, this governor that's coming now, does he know what we're doing? He's fully aware of what we are doing, and he's seated here. He knows he will not fall our hand. I believe him and his deputy will do better than what we have done, and that is the prayer of anybody. I will not pray that I should be better than them. I pray that they should be better than what me and my deputy governor and our team have done. So on this note, I thank each and every one of you and say God is infinite mercy. Will you people back home safely? And then continue to judge yourself. Shobe, 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 shobe. Thank you.
Oh yeah, follow Uno Rodo. SYMFONI say follow Uno Rodo. Now we get follow Uno Rodo. SYMFONI say follow Uno Rodo. Now we get.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may we rise for the national anthem.
All rise, oh.